How to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. To start by opening up your Binance, and once you are in, you just need to click on wallets on the bottom right and then click on the deposit option. Now you need to click on the search icon on the top, or you can also search it by scrolling. Now you need to simply search for Solana and click on it. Make sure to double check your network, which is going to be Solana. And once you have selected that, you just need to click on this copy icon, and once you have copy, you can now head over to your Phantom wallet. Now once you are in your Phantom wallet, click on the send and select Solana. Click on allow paste and paste your address. Now click on next on the bottom, and then you need to enter the amount that you want to go with, and click on next on the top right again and confirm the transaction. So that's the way of how you can send Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance.